Hello.
Allahu Akbar! Alrighty, we got all the stuff we need to get this oil change done, and then about to head to that flea market, get those lights, so we'll have light, fresh oil change, and then hopefully we can do a couple more things in the car. Alright, so we're at the frickin' flea market. We gotta go get HIDs. We get them for pretty cheap here. Check it out, it's like a little village in this little Hispanic village.
I gotta get some lights so that I can see at night. In my S350.
I need my mask for the virus, you know. I'm about to do that though. Comment down below if you think we should do like a coronavirus video. We'll like mask up and like your suit. And just go f with people. Mask up, mask up, mask up. I got that Milwaukee heated jacket. I'm ready to come here for my tools. What the heck? What's up, buddy? I need some HIDs.
Man, I don't have ballast.
You don't have any
I'm
ballast?
out of ballast, man.
Okay.
What car?
It's a 2008.
S350. Hello darkness, my old friend.
So we got some LED bulbs. Hopefully they work. If not, we're gonna have to custom fab something. I think the dude was saying it was like 4DS or something for the headlights, but all he had was H11. So hopefully the H11s work. If not, we'll have to custom fab something, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, so we pulled up. We gotta grab this. Gotta grab this. Well, just that one, you gotta take the intake.
Which one did you have?
Grab this. You guys already know where we're at with it.
Gang shit, you already know.
Acceleration,
Yes,
automotive.
sir. 6363 Washington Boulevard. Yes, sir.
So we're about to get this oil changed because it's been like 10,000 miles, you feel me? So we gotta get her right.
So you wanna be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride. You got to pimp out
Oh, dude. Soccer Talk TV, bro.
So you wanna be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride. You got to pimp out ride.
All right, we're gonna see how this thing sounds with the new intake.
Room
Intake
from
mod,
the back,
you know what I'm
booty
saying?
shit.
I don't know, bro.
For me, please.
I don't even know if I hear it. I don't even know if I hear it, bro.
Maybe
unless it's like enter.
Alrighty. So I'm about to go get some gas. We got Zach behind on the bike. See if we can get him to do a flyby real quick. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, dude. I beat a bike! Oh shit, I'm about to run out of gas. Everything's shut down. Dude. It's not fair, friend. Like, I didn't put it in sport mode, so like obviously like you're gonna win.
You forgot the clutch kick. Oh,
Yeah, I forgot the clutch kick.
Oh, my bad. Called it earlier too.
You know what I'm saying? We got that, we need that boost.
If you can't afford real boost,
You can't afford real boost.
the last best thing.
How do you, let's get this on. Oh, you just shove it in there. just shove it in. All right, we're gonna save some for later because we got, like I said, we're about to do a race. We're about to race this Genesis. How'd that happen?
I gotta get a new battery. This shit's old.
Here, I got you, bro.
We gotta pop start it. Nice view.
Alright, go ahead. What's that motherfucker?
Let's get it. Let's get it. Got it.
IS350.
Alrighty, so we finally got the package. Basically, the reason why I have a check engine light on my car is because of these little sensors. So we're about to go install these sensors. Oh, I forgot. I gotta grab this. Need this little 10mm socket right here. We're gonna go fix that up, bro. It's gonna take me 2 seconds. But these sensors, it's a camshaft positioning sensor. They went bad in my car. So I'm gonna replace these and hopefully I can go do missions and pass. Alrighty, so there's one right here. And then there's this one right here. So that's all we gotta change. And then we should be good to go.
Oh no, I lost my package.
Is that not a 10mm? Or is it this one? Oh wow, that's an 11.
Son of a, oh my God!
Apparently I don't have any 10mm, so I gotta go to Home Depot real quick, go grab that, and then hopefully we can get this done. Alrighty, let's give this another shot. Alright, let's get this off. That's how you do it. Got the old daddy sensor out. Time to put the new one in. Success. All right, so we're gonna take this battery off, take the negative terminal off, let it reset the ECU, and then let's see if this fixes the problem. Alrighty, the moment of truth. All right, she's gonna need a little bit more love. No check engine light. Is this what I'm seeing? Let's see, I mean, besides all these other lights. Let's go take it for a drive. Generally they say like 5 miles. I'm not gonna drive 5 miles just because that's about. I left my mic put on. Yeah, but before it would just shut itself off immediately. So, or not shut itself off, but the code would pop right back up in like 2 seconds. So hopefully that's not the case, and hopefully we fix the car. Let's get it. So far so good. Oh, check engine light's back on. Son of a bitch.